Hey guys, new product to the G-Force lineup. These are polyurethane replacement motor mounts for OBS trucks. So that's 88 to 98 Chevy 1500, 2500 trucks. So they do make a polyurethane insert that goes into your stock clamshell mounts, but that's kind of a pain in the butt. You have to drill the rivets out. It's not very fun to do that modification just so that you have polyurethane motor mount for your OBS trucks. So that's why we came out with this bolt-in polyurethane equivalent. So these do have red polyurethane bushings included, and then it's a durable steel construction, and they're powder-coated black so they do not corrode. So if you want to find out more about these motor mounts or any of our other motor mount offerings, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.